my mind, I'm going to die and no get it. Absolutely never. If I'm shot, the fight is on. I'm not losing no fight to no scumbag out there in no ghetto. No son of a bitch out there is going to get me. The only way he gets me is cut my head off. I need him. I'll fight you till I got a breath left in me. I don't think any of those animals in that street can beat me. I'm going that way for 18 years of street service, street duty. That's the way I'm going to keep on going. You don't lose the fight.
Go. We broke it. See, we fully seized this wheel. Right there. Fully seized. See. See, it does not do anything. See, it just something in the bearing fully seized. You can't even twist it. Nothing.